Hey guys, how's it going? So today we have a special visitor on his way right now. He should be here any minute. Hey! Greeting committee! How you doing? Here is Greg Wittstock. Here again.
So fun to be here and happy anniversary. I got you some anniversary gifts.
Oh, thank you. Hey, do you mind putting this mic on so everyone can hear you?
I will do that.
Awesome. And we can just pull right over to the pond.
I'll pull right over.
I'm so excited to have Greg with us today. You know, this July, he and a bunch of his certified aquascape contractors from all over the country met here to put this pond in for us. It's an aquascape ecosystem pond, but you know, the last time you were here, the pavers weren't in.
Yeah, I of course I've seen it on video, but it's exciting to be back with a beautiful weather day.
I know, it's wonderful. And you've been on the road for how many hours?
I woke up, I left at 6 a.m. It's 438 miles door to door. I had a nice stop for lunch, so, 7 hours.
Oh, it's already been a day for you.
But I got my camper van to camp here.
That's awesome.
Camping at Garden Answer.
Oh my gosh. Don't let my mom see this. She'll want one.
Okay, so where is Samantha sleeping?
She is sleeping.
What about Benjamin?
He is inside.
Okay, so I got a special gift for Benjamin.
Okay.
And then I got a gift for the whole family. But since Benjamin's awake, can we get Benjamin?
Yes. I'll go
Okay.
get him.
Ready?
Yeah.
He's out by the pond.
What's up, bro?
Whoa!
Run, Forrest, run! How you doing, man? I got a couple of surprises.
Yeah.
Yeah, come on, see 'em.
What's that?
Check them out. I don't have Lego sets for you, but I got something. I got something that's alive. What do you think it is?
A fish? No.
Not just one fish. One fish, two fish, three. I didn't bring you a cat. No.
We don't need any more cats. No, thank you.
You were right. It was a fish, but it wasn't just one fish. It is.
Oh my word.
Oh my gosh, this
Can
is
I help
heavy.
you?
Oh my gosh. Yeah, here we go. We'll just put it down right here.
We got
It is.
more fish.
Yes. Count how many fish I got.
1, 2, 3. Wait, no. Okay.
Look.
And there's 1, 2.
So 3 plus 2.
No.
No?
Count them again.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Well, somehow you're double counting.
Oh, I think it's showing through the bottom of the bag.
There we go. Here's your fish.
2 plus 2.
We got 4 fish.
Those are
So
big.
why do you think we got 4, Benjamin?
Because there's not enough space because they're growing big.
They're going to. But 1 for everybody in your family.
Oh, fun.
So we're going to have to figure out which one is going to be your fish, which one's going to be your mom's fish, which one's going to be Samantha's fish. And should we give one to your dad or do you want 2?
I think this one should be smaller.
Okay.
Yeah,
You're picking,
Pretty.
you're picking the prettiest one for your
Oh,
mom?
you're so
Aw.
sweet.
I think I'm picking that one.
That one right there for me or for you?
Me.
You.
That's the Showa.
Yeah.
You picked the Showa. Yep.
What kind is this one right here?
That is an Ogon.
Ogon.
Yeah.
That's a beauty.
Why did
Yeah.
you get more?
Actually, that's a Yamabuki Ogon. Yep.
Oh, my goodness. And then
Yep.
what do we got over here?
And then we have a Kohaku, which is the traditional one, the orange and white with some Jinrin. And then an Ochiba, which is the dark one, which is the friendliest koi.
Oh, really?
Yeah, the Ochibas are the friendliest
Oh,
koi.
fun.
So let's put these in the pond,
Let's do it.
which will be my first time seeing the pond since the path
Do you want me to
has been
carry
here.
one?
Oh, I got it.
Okay.
It's well balanced.
I think, one of those fishes were trying to numb on my finger.
Putting them on your finger through the bag?
Are these bigger than the ones you got now?
I think so.
Yeah.
I think so too.
I think there might be one that sort of close, but
Oh, look at that. Look at that foxfire lily.
I know, isn't that a beast?
Oh, here we go. So we're gonna float them for about 30 minutes.
Okay.
40 minutes till the water temperature gets about the same. And then you'll have 4 big koi in there.
Thank you.
Yes.
That's awesome.
It's looking great.
Oh, we are enjoying it so much.
I can see there's rock dust on the lily pads
Yep.
from all the cutting and stuff that they did.
Oh,
Yeah, they're gonna
like,
be coming up and
"Whoa."
seeing the new fish because they want to see their new friends, Benjamin.
Oh, that's so fun.
All right, so here's why I'm coming for right out here, huh? I know you are concerned
Concerned.
about the size of the fire rock.
Oh.
Because that's
well,
why I'm coming. Remember, I'm bringing you the fire rock.
I can't wait to see it.
It's camping at Laura's.
Yes.
And bringing a fire rock. And we're going to roast some marshmallows, sit by the pond, and just sit back and enjoy the pond.
And that's the best part of the pond
Yeah.
right there.
So let's
I
check out
love
the
it.
fire rock.
How much does this thing weigh?
I think it weighs about 80 pounds.
Okay.
So it's just a little awkward, so I'm gonna need, if I can get one of your guys.
Oh, yeah.
Thank you. Appreciate it. So look at how I positioned this thing in the camper. It's right next to the commode.
Oh, nice, nice.
Yeah. All right, we'll just grab this. It fit just fine.
Do you need me to get that other box?
No,
Okay.
we'll just get this one. Perfect. I was thinking Aaron could help me with this, but we need a videographer, so he gets out of it. Okay, let's just set it down right here.
More fish?
No, not more fish.
This is it's like a fire bowl, but a rock, dude.
Thank you.
Look, bud, can you see the picture on the side? Come over here.
Okay, yes. So here's the actual bowl, fire rock. So
Hey,
can
thank
see
you.
it right there. And then, so we cast it off of a real stone.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh, look at that.
Yeah. Got it, Benjamin?
Hey, Benjamin, come stand by me, sweetie, real quick.
Can you reach
Just
over
so
there?
that they can come down those stairs without falling, okay?
Just get out of here.
It's
Hold
pretty
on.
soft there.
Okay. So, position it.
Oh, that works out perfect.
There you go.
Yeah.
Now, how worried were you about this?
I wasn't that worried.
Okay, good.
No, I wasn't.
Okay, good.
Nope.
We'll be roasted marshmallows tonight.
Yes, we will. That's
You have
awesome.
marshmallows to roast?
Yes, we do.
Nice.
We got all the s'mores accoutrements ready to go.
Okay.
Ooh,
Yeah.
There it
This is the
is.
sleeve.
this is what the bottom side of this rock looks like.
I think we'll be okay wherever the pipe goes and however we decide to do it. This is exactly why I did this. So it's just a propane tank that connects to it. But I bought a fake stump.
Oh, perfect.
So it's a seat as well.
Oh, nice.
Right. Or you can put a potted plant on it,
Right.
whatever. So wherever we put it, we're just gonna put a fake rock on, or fake stump on top of it.
Perfect.
The propane tank.
Awesome. I
Okay.
love all the things that double as seats. It's perfect.
All right, so Aaron, let's try to figure this out now. So it actually works out okay because Aaron didn't measure properly.
Aaron,
I love my job because he didn't measure properly. We actually wanted this a little bit further forward from where the pipe is.
Right.
So this is about 2 feet forward, but then we'll just pull up these 3 stones, regrout them when the guys are grouting everything,
right.
and we will just run it right over here to the stump, and then we can put the line in there however you want to do it.
So the
that you can see
propane
it.
tank will be in there.
The propane tank will be
Okay.
underneath here. This will go to the top of the propane tank, and we're ready to rock and roll.
And it doubles as an extra seat, which I love.
Yes.
It's perfect.
Yeah, Benjamin will love sitting right
Yes,
here
he
in
will.
between you two.
Yep. That's perfect, and it's really not that far from the original. Not too bad.
Yeah.
Oh, Benjamin's created an umbrella. Good job, bud. That is very, very creative.
So then the only thing that we don't have is we just need whether we put glass in here,
Okay.
cut broken glass, or lava rock, whatever
Uh-huh.
you decide to look. So we might go by the garden center and see if they have any
Let's do
broken
it.
glass.
Okay, let's do
Okay.
it. Okay, now we've got like some. Is that
perfect.
Is that what we need?
Yes. So now you just pick out what you want.
We do something like that. What's the coolest color? I mean, you know better than I do. Like
well,
it's clear.
personally, I think blue would look good with the pond to try to tie in the theme.
Okay, how
for the
many do we
pond.
need?
I would say 2 of those.
Okay,
Yeah.
I got it.
Look at that. I forgot the glass, and now we support mom's business.
That's
Mom
right.
and dad's.
Perfect. Ooh, is it chilly?
You know, it's not bad.
Oh,
Your
good.
pond is warmer than mine. How you doing? Your pond's warmer than mine. Mine's right about 60.
Oh, really?
And you know when the water hits 50, you stop feeding them.
Okay, well, I did not know that, so I'm glad you said that.
We'll send you some cold water food.
Okay,
So when it's about 10 degrees colder, we want to put the cold water food in. for
okay,
'em.
good to know.
Sit down there. You don't even have to fully get in.
It's cold.
I think it's fine.
Cold for thing. Oh,
Okay. So this is a beautiful, look at the Jinrin. This is a beautiful kohaku. So the shiny scales is what the Jinrin on there.
So pretty.
And then this one is not as pretty, but the Ochiba as a fish, every fish has a different personality, but in general, the Ochiba are the friendliest koi. So
Look at this.
that's your
Oh.
friendliest koi.
Woo! Full of energy. Look at that. Welcome to your new home. Oh,
Now what might happen, it's a little late, but whenever you bring in new fish, a lot of times they spawn.
really?
Yes.
Oh,
Look at this
oh,
guy.
that's a gorgeous one.
So that's a
Look.
Showa.
Showa.
Yeah. And this is a Yamabuki.
Yamabuki.
Okay,
One
there
day
you
I'll
go. You
remember
can
the
let this
names.
one out. I'm gonna let you let this one out, Benjamin.
Okay.
You gotta come on in. Come on in. You got it. Come on in.
Woo!
Okay.
You
All
got
right,
it, sweetie.
So just kind of help them, direct them out of there with your hands.
Okay. It's chilly in here. You get a hold of him. I'll get a hold of him. Oh, he feels nice. He feels nice.
Almost. Look.
Whoa.
You got it, bud.
A little lower. There we go.
Good
There's
job.
your 4 new fish.
Thank you.
It's such a fun part of the hobby, you know, the fish. And so you gotta help name them. You gotta find names for them, okay, buddy?
Hey, can you give me eyes?
He's like, it's so cold. Here you go, dude.
All right, let's try it. Let's fire it up. Hold them. I hear it. Oh, we got it. There it goes.
Oh, there it is.
Up. You gotta hold it down for like 30 seconds with this wind. There it goes. You gotta keep it hot like 30 seconds. Let everything roll through, heat it up. Now you can let go of the starter.
What is up with the wind all of a sudden this afternoon? It's such a nice.
Hey, let's put the grab
Ooh.
on there. I think we were right on with 2.
Perfect. Thank you.
Now that's my kind of home improvement job. 30 seconds and we're done. Boy, I can feel the heat.
Well, I bet you can. I think.
Yeah, so that's the highest it goes.
That's awesome. Oh, I can't wait till it's dark out.
Yes,
Yeah.
and get some marshmallows.
Yes.
Woohoo!
Oh, you guys, I can see all of the fish together. That is so much fun. So now there are 10 koi in there and our high fin banded shark, which is probably cruising around on the bottom somewhere. And you guys, we just got done eating dinner. In fact, Greg, Aaron, and the kids are still inside. I just wanted to pop out real quick before it got too dark to show you what our plan is for kind of hiding all the infrastructure of this fire rock, and then we're coming out as soon as it is dark and we're going to do some s'mores, and the kids are so excited about it. And Greg brought a bunch of fun toys for them to play with. In fact, they were playing with frogs and turtles and things that were floating around, and I think we still have one turtle that's MIA that I can't find. It's probably hiding under one of the lily pads somewhere. It'll surface at some point. But anyway, I wanted to show you how this kind of works. So backed up, look at the fire rock. Now the blue stone Greg thought would look really cool because, you know, the pond theme and so on. But the fun thing about this is that it's not deep. So you guys saw before we put the rocks in, it only goes down that far. So you could take these out and you could put any color of glass. You could put, there's a really pretty amber colored one that I thought would be pretty for fall, or like a clear glass, or you could do lava rock if you wanted a little bit more of a natural look, which I kind of feel fits our space really well, but I thought it'd be real fun to try this one first. So you saw the underside of the rock is hollow, and then it's hooked to the gas line, which goes to the propane tank, and all of this stuff will be hidden, or the propane tank will be hidden underneath this log. So we will kind of face it like this, and it actually serves as another seat, or you could put a potted plant on it, whatever, but it hides that. And then there's that little opening so you can turn the gas on or off. And then what we're going to do, we have the conduit right here. We might pop 3 stones up and run the conduit this way instead of right now. It's running from this point all the way to the other side of that log. I'm not sure exactly. We might use that still, but we could run it this way just as easy, pretty much. And here is a backed up look at the space, just so you can see how the rock fits in, and it just blends nicely. It really goes with the whole theme out here, the whole feel. And then of course, like I said, the propane tank and all of the infrastructure will be hidden. You won't see that. So it'll just look like this rock hanging out in the middle, and then you could swap out colors if you wanted to, but that's pretty cool. Oh, I just love seeing the movement of the fish in there. Okay, I see 6 of them right here. 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, fun. Oh, and there's the shark. Do you see it? It's so darkly colored, it's hard to see. Easier to see in the light of day when it's nice and bright. Okay, we're gonna let it get dark out, then we'll rally the troops and come out here for some s'mores. right, guys, it's not even all the way dark out, but we couldn't wait. Look at how beautiful this is. The push of one button, the fire turns on. You can dial it up or down if you want to. Oh, do you have a roasted marshmallow? Oh, that looks like perfect. Are you gonna eat it?
What's it like? Tell her what it's like. What's it smell like?
What does it smell like?
Smells like delicious.
Smells like delicious. Oh,
you lost one.
it.
I'm getting daddy.
I'll get another one.
So now I feel like this area is complete. Like I felt like it was complete already, but you just don't even realize until you have something like that going and how it brings people together. Fire always does that, and this pond does that. This is where we want to be all the time, just sitting out here enjoying the sound, enjoying the fish, enjoying visiting with each other. It's just such a neat thing. And I'm just so grateful for Greg coming all the way up here. He's gonna camp here tonight and we're just gonna enjoy the evening together right here. Now you guys, he is giving one of these away, one of these fire rocks. What's it called? It's a faux stone fire pit.
Faux stone fire.
Is that right?
Yep.
Faux stone fire pit. So to win one, it's going to happen on Instagram. You have to go to my Instagram in my stories. There's a little bar that you can rate how much you like the fire pit. And then you want to make sure that you're following Greg on his account. So we'll put all the information down below this video if you want to be entered to win one of those. So I highly recommend based on my limited experience, but it's awesome. I'm loving it. So thank you to Greg. Thank you, Greg. Thank you again.
I love my job.
I love your job too. And thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. We'll be sharing more pictures and things from this area. And of course, it's going to just evolve from here. We've been talking expansion plans and other things that we might be adding to it maybe next year or something like that. But it's all fun stuff. And I think the most fun part, and this is what I found when all of the certified aquascape contractors were here, you get with people who are passionate about what they're doing. This is how I feel about reading the comment section with you guys too. You get so inspired and motivated talking with one another and just absorbing information and ideas, and it just makes you want to make your space even better. I don't know, it's just such a cool thing. So anyway, thank you guys so much for watching this video, and we will see you in the next one. Bye.